I'm here today with the Cuktech 10 power bank. Now Cuktech is a family company that is very experienced in making power banks, making power cords, so they knew what they were doing when they designed this 10 power bank, and they wanted to design something for the on-the-go person. So let's open this up and see what we think of it. Inside that box we have 3 things in there: my user guide, my charging cord, and my power bank. Now this is a very impressive power bank. It's about the size of a king-size candy bar here. So it has 2 ports here on the edge, one USB-A port and one USB-C port, because this can charge your laptops, your iPhones, and your Samsung Galaxy phones. That is how awesome this power bank is. Now the Cuktech 10 power bank is the ultimate all-purpose power bank with a capacity of a 10,000 battery, delivering up to 100 watts of power, offering excellent value for your money. At this small size, it is a pioneer of its time. It is the ultimate power bank with high-speed charging needs: 100 watts for your laptop, 27 watts for your iPhone, and 45 watts for your Samsung Galaxy. It is also perfect for gaming on the go, seamlessly compatible with handheld consoles, and elevates your gaming experience like never before. You can charge your Switch 1 to 3 times faster and supports 45 watts faster charging for Steam Deck and a whopping 65 watts for ROG and 100 watts for Legion Go. It's the ideal choice for uninterrupted gaming. It has rapid self-charging, which takes convenience to the next level. An impressive 90 watts max self-charging capability, ensuring your power bank is always ready for action. Also, get 55% power bank charge in just a 15-minute charging of it, enough to charge up an iPhone 15. This is where high power meets lightweight. Cuktech struck the perfect balance of providing you with the convenience of high power capacity while maintaining a compact, lightweight design, comparable to a large energy bar in length and width, and a mere 10 ounces in weight. I like here is that it has an LCD screen, which tells me a little bit about what's going on, and here it tells me that it has a 53% charge in it. My other power banks, I don't know how much charge I have on them, so I never know if they have enough charge for me to go out and recharge my phone. But I'm going to recharge my phone, so I'm going to plug in my USB-A cord, and there we go. I am now charging my iPhone. It's just determined that it's going to take about an hour and 28 minutes to fully charge my iPhone, and it's going to use 9.7-ish watts to do so, although you can see those watts are going up as I speak. So that's really nice to be able to do that, charge it up, and see what happens. Now I wonder what these numbers will say if I try to charge up my computer. So let's go get that. Alright, so I have my computer here. It is currently at 27%. And here's my Cuktech 10 power bank. So I'm going to use the cord they provided for me and plug it in. And then plug it in over here. So I did go ahead and charge up my power bank. It is at 100%, and we can see all the numbers are adjusting right now. This one's very interesting as it slowly goes up, and this my time changes as it determines how much power it needs to charge up my computer, because not only is this a super powerful charger, but it will also charge super duper fast. Now, also something very cool about it is that just 15 minutes of charging up my power bank will give me enough of a charging ability on here to charge up an iPhone 15, which is pretty cool. I did charge up my Cuktech power bank, and when I did so, it was at about 40%. And when I charged it up, it was only on there for about 30 minutes to make it to 100%. And that is when I came back to look at it, but that is some of the fastest I've ever had my power banks charge up. So it looks like my numbers have officially rounded out, so my computer's at 29%. It was at 27% when I plugged it in. And my Cuktech 10 power charger is charging at 56.1-ish. And it says it's going to take about 34 minutes to charge up my computer. That's pretty cool. Although the times do change a little bit, but that's okay. That is still super cool. This could be so much nicer. There are some coffee shops that I love to go to, but they don't have plugins for my computer. This could be really nice to just carry this around. And there we go. And this thing is also even lighter than a lot of my power banks. So just because the screen went off, my computer is still charging. It's okay. I really do like Cuktech. They seem like a great company. They definitely knew what they were doing when they created this power bank. They thought about the weight of it. They thought about the size of it. But they also thought, how much can I get from this? I'm so excited to use this while I'm working in coffee shops and when I start camping this summer. So if you love to work in coffee shops, you love to game on the go, or your phone just needs that extra charging once in a while, you definitely should check out Cuktech Powerbank 10. They're super cool and super light and perfect for that on the go, and this LCD screen is a game changer to know what's going on within this power bank.